Ladies and gentlemen, ta-da! I have an unboxing to do. This is unboxing of food item. This box just arrived not quite long, and it's torn a little bit by the side, so I'm just going to tear it off by the torn space. Imagine me tearing this box anyhow. What is this? Grounded crayfish. This is dried fish. Look at this fish. I want to use it to cook something tasty. Beautiful. I have this soursop tea. Is this soursop tea? I think it's soursop tea. Yeah. Guys, a lot of things, a lot of local goodies are here. Wow. Look at our palm cream fresh. I want to use it to cook banga rice with this fish. I'm going to use it to cook banga rice. Something tasty. Also, I have this pepper soup spice. I told you a lot of traditional things were bought. I bought 4 kg of yam. This yam, the nose is making me doubt it. But this is not the first time I'm buying yam here. Look at the nose of this particular yam. The way the nose is looking like and it's peeling is making me a little bit have some doubt. But hopefully, like I told you, I bought 4 kg of yam. So, but I love the packaging. I love the packaging of this yam. We are in Europe, so they always pack things nicely. Look at it. See, it's in Europe that you buy food online. Me, I buy groceries sometimes online. Look at this one, ogbono, grounded ogbono. My Nigerian subscribers, they understand what that ogbono means. And look at stockfish. Wow. Look at that. Stockfish. My Nigerian subscribers, they know how expensive this type of fish can be. This type and also this type sometimes can be a little bit expensive. Then I bought this herbal tea. Guys, I'm working on my waistline. I hope that some of these teas, they work. They truly work. Do you know what is here? Can you see it? My Niger people, they know. Look at how they packaged it. I was actually afraid that this malt bottle could actually be broken, but look at how they package it securely. This is a tip for you guys who sell breakable things. Learn how to package properly. Look at it. It's a glass bottle of Maltina. It's been a long time that I've tasted it, so I actually wanted to try it. It's a tasty drink, and it's been a long time I've taken it. Finally, look at it. Not broken, not damaged, because it was well packaged. Now, all my items are sitting pretty. Guys, all this item was about 50, was it 55 euro or thereabouts? Do you think it's worth it? All of this with my yam on the floor. 4 kg yam tuber. Today is traditional day. Like traditional day where we like, wow, this one I actually want to make banga rice. I hope I get how to make it nicely, and I hope that, look at it, I'm amazed. So, do you think this food item is worth it? I think about 55 euro thereabout. It's not up to 60 euro. Do you think it's worth it? Yes, it's not much because it's African meals. African meals are expensive abroad. Okay? They have to pay shipping costs, custom duties to bring all of this to Europe. And the quality are usually super high. So thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment and share. This is our food unboxing for today. Unboxing majorly African based food and ingredients. So go to our playlist and watch others of our video. Like, comment and share. Bye bye.